Chief Mrs. Titilayo Morufat Ejalonibu Adeyinka, the Iyalaje of Ogunwajo. Today is your unique day. Today is your special day. Today is your birthday. I rejoice with you. I congratulate you. I celebrate. Olóyè Titilayo Ejalonibu Aya Adeyinka, Iyalaje àkọ́kọ́ tìlú Ògùnàjò. Ó kú oríire o. Mo bá ẹ dúpẹ́, mo bá ẹ yọ̀ fún ayẹyẹ ọjọ́ ìbí. Ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ á ṣọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọdún láyé nínú ọlá ńlá pẹ̀lú àlàáfíà tó péye àti àìkú tí ṣe baálẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀. Olóyè Titilayo Morufat Ejalonibu Aya Adeyinka, ó ti ṣọdún ọdún yìí, wàá ṣe ẹ̀mí tọmọtọmọ nínú ọlá ńlá, owó níní pẹ̀lú àlàáfíà tó péye. We celebrate you, we appreciate you, we rejoice with you. You are a proud indigene of Ogunwajo Kingdom. We love you. On behalf of the entire Ogunwajo Kingdom, I celebrate you, I rejoice with you, I congratulate you. I wish you long life and prosperity. Please continue to be a dedicated, hardworking, and patriotic indigene of Ogunwajo Kingdom. By the grace of God, you shall continue to reap the good fruits of your dedication. That was recently demonstrated in your chieftaincy title as Iyalaje Ogunwajo. Iyalaje àkọ́kọ́ ti ilẹ̀ Ògùnàjò. Ó kú oríire. Oore náà ò ní dìbànújẹ́ mọ́ ẹ lọ́wọ́. Ọmọ ẹ ò ní kú, ọkọ ẹ ò ní kú. Àwọn ọmọ ẹ á dàgbà, wọ́n á dògbó, wọ́n á fọwọ́ páwó, wọ́n á fèrè kìjọ. Wọ́n á jíwọ́ màmá tó bí wọn lọ́mọ lọ. Wọ́n á jí bàbá tó bí wọn lọ́mọ lọ. La hawla wala quwwata illa billah. You have been a very hardworking and industrious sister. You have been a very committed and patriotic daughter of Ogunwajo Kingdom. On your special birthday, as Chief Mrs. Adeyinka Titilayo Morufat Ejalonibu, you can only pray that the grace of God continues in your life. You can only pray that God Almighty should continue to sustain your virtues, the goodness in you that made you a deserving chief, a young chief. May the beaks of your chieftaincy title continue to bring forth progress, development, long life, enormous wealth, and prosperity. Congratulations, my sister. We all love you. You shall live long, longer than your ancestors. You were born amongst the Nus people, and your star has risen beyond the Nus territory. It has risen across the sky. Sky is your beginning. Continue to enjoy the grace of God Almighty in your life. Have a fantastic celebration. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, ooh yeah.
Happy birthday, yes, my appreciation. Happy birthday, yes, my appreciation. Mo dúpẹ́.
Èmi lọ́lọ́pẹ́, èmi lọ́lọ́pẹ́, àṣẹ iṣẹ́ mi, èmi lọ́lọ́pẹ́. iṣẹ́ ọkùnrin ò ṣe Ọlọ́run ẹ̀mí mímọ́ ò ṣe. Mo gbé ọ̀gá mo yìn ọ́ lógo.